Hello guys, we will speak today about ANENG 9002 meter, which I use for quite a bit of time. I wanted to use a Bluetooth meter and not the cheapest one to see, because I was used to use Metex for like years and years. It's not that accurate anymore, it has issues. I would probably have to recap it or do something to fix it. So I thought I'll buy one with Bluetooth, but quite cheap, you know, like 20-30 pounds, so that anybody who's watching, they can buy as well. So I'll switch to the scene here and I will make full screen. These are my orders on AliExpress, okay, and these are ANENG, so you can see that I bought more than one. That's one here for 1891. Then 9002 model as well, second here. That one has been bought because of the inductance, so that was the only reason to be true, because this ANENG 9002 doesn't have inductance, L, yes, Henry's, and that's next one. So I've got one and I've got two or this, yes, and one of them went to my technician. So yeah, so that's, you know, that's what it is. So as you can see, when you look at them, the cheapest you can find here, ANENG, yes, which is over 20 pounds, but the other prices are not that cheap anymore. Yeah, so there is an app for Bluetooth. It doesn't use regular Bluetooth, it uses BLE, Bluetooth Low Energy, which actually is better, because if you use your Bluetooth as I do, you can automatically have it still usable for the meter. So you can see that depending on the color here, you can have it cheaper. Yes, so I would say 2079 plus 185, it's quite cheap. So if you would like to have it, and you would like to have an app not on your phone, but in the, just like here we've got, let's say, electronics repairs on Inte.Team, yes, on our website. That's not important because that's a static page, so that doesn't matter. Yes, so start repair journey, and you scroll down until you will see here, I want to learn electronics. And I've added here a Bluetooth module. When you have it, click it, you see it's connect multimeter. So I will turn on my ANENG now. Okay, let's put it into the OM. Okay, OM. And when you press this button and hold, which is Hertz, but you need to hold it, yes. So let me first hold the light. You can see now. Worse than you were before. So okay, let's switch off the light. Now you see it OL. So I will press and hold. Oh, that's a bad button. Okay, so you can see that it's Bluetooth here connecting. And now when we will click on the connect multimeter, we can see it and pair it. And now it's inside the window, okay? But if you click on it here, it will release the pop-up, yes? And now you can see me, okay? You can see me, and when I use it here, and can I share additional scene, because that would be useful. Can I add to webcam display capture, window capture? I should have somewhere window capture, I've got it. Okay, select a window. Okay, properties of window, electronics lab. This, no. Yes. You know what, I'm trying to do it quickly so that you don't have to. Properties for window capture. OSB profile and title, desktop icons 1, what's up business? I can't I can't do it, guys. I don't know how, but I can't do it. Anyways, let's do this one, okay? So yeah, uh, that's bad. That's bad. So okay, I won't be doing it, but you grasp the idea. It's out of the main window, okay? And now if I will short circuit it, it's showing 0.0 here, and look on the meter, it's as well 0.00. And now open, and now as well. Yes, so it does work. Yes, it's just that I should prepare it beforehand and I haven't, so sorry for that. Yes, I wanted to make the video short, but if you would want to use meter with on screen, for instance, recorded or something, now you can go to lab-free.inte.team or on the Inte.Team website, electronics, go down to the Learn Electronics and then just press on the Bluetooth, then connect multimeter, and you can use that as a feature on our free lab. Yes, I'm not saying we will keep it forever. I'm saying that I don't have plans to remove it. We will add to our dojo.inte.team, which is a learning platform for our apprentices and businesses across the country who cooperate with us, so we can create same rules for every repair shop. Yes, so they work independently, they make profits, and they just need system to plug in, great system which we've created. So then all the learning is the same, sharing knowledge is the same. We've got one R&D team, research and development, so when there are new technologies emerging, one person will learn it, AIs can be fed, yes, and then everybody can share the same knowledge. So thanks to that, yes, we are capable of iterating on issues much quicker, and you can offer then better quality services to your local community with less friction for yourself. So that's what we're trying to build at Inte.Team, yes. And we don't have other meters here, so ANENG AN9002 is the only meter which I've added. It's just that because I've chosen cheap meters that across the whole country people can get cheap meter. If you do believe that there would be value in other meters, we can add those as well, yes. What we would then require from you is a bit of participation, because we cannot add the code by default. If sometimes when I was like trying to get GitHub repository and decoding of the signals from ANENG, you know that there were certain discrepancies which we couldn't add here, and then I had some additional issues, but it was resolved promptly, yes, swiftly. But what I'm trying to say is, if we would add your meter, we need your participation so that you can feedback us on any discrepancies which we will find. But we're open to add more meters, so we will redesign this UI probably in the future, but keep in mind it's a free software, you don't pay for it, yes, and it's just so that people can grasp it. And if you would like to join us on the mission of being across the whole country and delivering the best quality electronics repairs and web development solutions, do get in touch, guys. But I wanted to be quick video, so that's all I wanted to share with you. Hopefully the small features can help some people who would like to get their meters on their YouTube, for instance, share it with others, because that's easy now. All you have to do is know about Inte.Team, go to our site, connect your meter. You can simultaneously connect it even if you use Bluetooth, yes, because that's using the BLE, Bluetooth Low Energy. So I did what I could to help you. Hopefully you can say thank you with a like button. And guys, I'll leave, as always, I try to leave nowadays about 10 videos on YouTube at the moment, which I've created. So enjoy the music if you like music. Thank you. Bye bye.